Hello, my name is Cyrus Perez. I'm an amateur boxer. I'm representing Puerto Rico in hopes of going to the LA 2028 Olympics.
Hi, what's up, everybody? I'm here with Cyrus Perez.
What's up,
man,
guys?
I gotta let the people know how we met.
Yeah, go
because
ahead,
this is
man.
super inspirational. All right.
Yes, sir.
Listen, hard work beats talent when talent don't work hard.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Cyrus
sir.
came into my gym. We were like 3 miles away from here. And were you training at this gym at the time?
Yeah. I trained here since I started. This is my first gym.
Okay. So those dudes that you came with, were they training here as well?
The dudes I came with, you gotta remind me.
I remember one guy's name was Mikey, and then a bunch of other kids.
Yeah, they all came here.
Yeah, they all came here.
Out of here. Yeah.
But you were like the least experienced one.
Yeah. I was a rookie, man.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So those other boys, where they at? Are they still boxing?
Nah, I mean they all stopped. I mean, Mikey sometimes he still boxes with his dad and stuff, but the other kids we were with really don't do it. They just moved on. Some went to the Marines. It was they just grew up, you know what I'm saying?
And that's how I was when I grew up boxing too. There was people that were way better than me, but things of life just kind of took them different directions. But Cyrus, look at what you're at today, bro.
Yes,
you're going
sir,
for the Olympics.
Yes,
What's
sir.
your record right now in the USA boxing?
In USA boxing, I have like 35 fights. I believe I'm like 22 and 13 or something like that. But internationally, I have 50 fights, and I believe the only losses I have are in the States. So whatever I have is here.
Plus, in USA boxing, man, it's tricky when it comes to the decisions and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, one time I fought this dude. I bloodied him up. The dude was crying. And then they gave it to the dude. And, like, complete domination. But they gave it to the other dude.
Yeah, man.
And it was a weird situation. But that's when I learned, like, you know, you can't show no mercy inside that ring.
No,
like, I was showing mercy because I was, like, 13 years old. And this kid is 12. And he's crying.
Yeah.
So the last round, I was just like, all right, like, I'm going to win this. I don't got to.
Yeah.
And then my coach yelled at me after that. He's like, nah, if you can take him out, take him out.
Yeah.
Because look at what just happened.
It's the fight game, man. It's not all nice all the time.
Yeah, that's why we got to dominate. You got to take them out.
Yes, sir.
So when I say hard work beats talent, Cyrus came in the gym and he was sparring. He was the least experienced. He was getting emotional in that ring. But now I see this man and he is so poised and calm and collected inside the ring. It's a completely different Cyrus from when you first walked in, bro.
Yeah, I love to hear it, man.
Yeah,
Thank
man.
you. I appreciate it.
For sure, bro. I love to see it. You know what I'm saying? Because it's not often that you see it. I mean, you see people come and go. I mean, how long you been training in this gym?
Since 2020, so 5 years now.
Yeah, so in 5 years, I'm sure you've seen a lot of people come and go. I'm sure you've seen a lot of talent. But the dedication is what's admirable about you, dog.
I appreciate it.
You know what I'm saying? So that's why I wanted to make this video. I wanted to highlight Cyrus Perez on this channel and let everybody know to keep an eye on him. Watch him. Go ahead and follow him on social media. What's your IG handle?
It's the Cyrus Perez, TheCyrusPerez.
All right. And what's your nickname right now?
I mean, I got a lot of nicknames.
Yeah, I know.
I just gotta let the people name me. I don't really know, but I got El Gringo de Humacao, which is my hometown in Puerto Rico. I got Two Fly, which was like my original little thing.
Yes, I remember that one.
And El Tiburon, which is like what my family from Puerto Rico calls me.
Okay.
So I don't know.
What about Cyrus the Virus?
Oh yeah, that one too. I didn't name myself that, but you know.
Yeah, that's how it is. That's how it is.
Around.
Yeah, you'll continue to get different names as you level up, and then you fight different people as well. What's next for you as far as right now?
I got a national tournament called the U.S. National Open where people from other countries can come in. Since I'm representing Puerto Rico, I can use my Puerto Rican passbook to fight in the U.S. National Tournament. So I'll be fighting in that, fighting the top level from Ireland, USA, Puerto Rico, and other countries that come in, like Canada. So I'll be doing that, getting some more experience and maybe some ranking points.
That's what's up, man. And for the fighters that are coming up, just now starting boxing, what would you say to those guys?
Man, just like what he's saying, man, just stay dedicated.
Yeah.
You know, like a lot of people, they come into the sport thinking that it's just like any other sport, like football. There's going to be a coach that holds your hand throughout the whole way, but there's really not.
Absolutely.
In boxing, it's just I have a saying my grandpa likes to say, like, in this sport, in this life, you only have your heart and your nuts, and that's all you got at the end of the day. So you got to work with that.
I like that. Yeah. Man, absolutely, guys. You guys can't, just because it's not working out for you and whatever else you're doing, you can't blame everything else. In this sport, you take all your wins, you take all your losses, that's on you. So, you know what I'm saying? Life is what you make it. Boxing is what you dedicate yourself to. So, bro, I appreciate your time.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It was good seeing you.
Yes, sir. Everybody follow Cyrus.
Yes, sir. Stay motivated, stay inspirational, man. if I have a word of inspiration to anybody, it would just be like, you know, if you care about something enough, then you'll put the work into it. And if
Yes,
you don't
sir.
put the work into it, it's gonna show. So when you go in that ring to fight and there's nothing showing and you're not seeing progress because you're not putting your 100% into it.
Yep.
It's all on you in this sport. Nobody else's fault. So work your hardest, do your best, and it'll show in the ring.
That's what I'm talking about, bro. Thank you, man.
Yeah.
God bless, y'all.